right, I'm inside Dickey's barbecue pit since 1941. They have opened up a location here in Toronto. My second time coming here, and I'm gonna go for the 2 meat plate. So I have the ribs, and I have pulled pork, no, sorry, ribs and brisket. And the fries, I wanted the mac and cheese, but they're so popular that they sold out. I'm gonna get a Caesar salad, and they're very welcoming and accommodating. They welcome social media. I am on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. So we're gonna pig out. This looks good. Yummy, yummy. So this 2 meat plate is $27.99, and I ordered actually my wing. I got 6 wings for $12.99. All right, here's my spread. Look at all this food. I'm not gonna eat it all. I'll take a lot of it home. Try their wings. Oh, good, they give the flat ones. I like that. I'm not into those little drumstick ones. So this is $27.99. And it comes with 2 sides, which is the French fries, and then I chose the salad because they don't have mac and cheese. So come back for that. And then their 6 wings are $12.99. Nice wings here, barbecue wings. It's made nicely. Not crispy, but she gave me 2 sauces. This is this SP's. I guess it's spicy. This is regular. It's not that spicy, so you'll know if it's spicy if I cough. Your bite. That's good. Cooked nicely. It's falling off the bone. I'm hungry too, so. Okay, I'm gonna try that gravy. Gravy looks good, like nice colored gravy. The gravy's good. Very good.
Can't decide.
What's your favorite?
It's nothing. I want the beans and the coleslaw and fries with one thing. See, I don't want the dinner roll and all that stuff.
Okay, so you give me one thing. If you want to make that, you can go with the big plate on. Yeah, you can choose a half a pound of pound and then
It's not
choose a separate size.
Okay.
definitely not like a starchy taste to it. Like it's really good.
That would be $35 instead of getting $24. That's what I need. I can't decide.
I know.
Ribs. Let's go for the ribs.
It's what? Yeah.
Even to the touch, I can tell it's tender. Very tender.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
I'm gonna use my fingers. Beef brisket. So good. Tender. That's good. Surprisingly, like, so I looked at it, it looks dry, but it doesn't taste dry. Okay. I think, but they don't have a gravy for this. That's what. Try their Caesar salad. They look like they make their own croutons. So, take another bite. So if you're in Toronto, visiting, living in Toronto, come visit. You have to try Dickey's barbecue pit here in Toronto on Yonge Street. Bye.